She said she loves you. So all you need is 15 minutes and a winner. Or a banger. Bring a pot of ocean water to a light boil. Add in diced potatoes. Cover and let that do its thing. We are talking about 9 to 10 minutes. Use your trusty salt crusher and mash your little baby potatoes. Introduce 2 tablespoons of butter and a generous gulp of olive oil. She's worth every little drop. Give them a nice fold. Then season with a tiny pinch of salt and pepper. I like it creamy just like this. Bring a pan to the scene, add in your special olive oil, 2 sliced red onions, add a tablespoon of butter and let the onions swim. Don't let it look like your ex, rather your potential. Add a twinkle of balsamic vinegar and a drop of soy sauce. Add a bit of sugar, push that to the side and let her caramelize. Add 1 more drop of olive oil and in goes your sausages. Give them a turn, ensure they have that nice brown color. In goes crushed garlic and thyme and a small knob of butter. I think these sausages are getting more action than I am. Deglaze with chicken stock, kiss it with a pinch of salt and pepper. In goes brown mustard. You have to like them thick. 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 3 tablespoons water. And give that a stir immediately. If you overdo the thickness of the gravy, just add a tablespoon of water and you'll be sorted. Bring that to a simmer for about 30 seconds and voila. Off to the plate. A heap of mashed potatoes. A bunch of sausages, that glorious gravy, and finish it off with some chopped parsley.